Welcome to this video on the Web Application Firewall, or WAF. It is the shield that protects every website you use. We'll cover what a WAF is, how it works, and why every site needs one. A web application firewall is a crucial security layer. It filters, monitors, and blocks malicious HTTP traffic before it ever reaches your web server. A basic website setup involves a web server that answers HTTP requests coming from users over the internet. This is how normal, legitimate visitors interact with your site. Normal HTTP requests carry information like what page the user wants, the site's host, and the user's browser, allowing a typical interaction to proceed smoothly. However, not all traffic is friendly. On the open internet, your server is hit by both real users and attackers constantly looking for vulnerabilities to exploit. Common attacks include SQL injection, where attackers steal data, cross-site scripting, which injects malicious code, DDoS attacks, which flood your server, and bot and credential stuffing attacks. Without protection, attacks can lead to severe consequences, such as a database breach, the website going down, and user data being exposed. This is where the WAF comes in. It sits directly in front of your web server, acting as a proxy to inspect and control every incoming request. When a legitimate request is made, the WAF inspects it against security rules. If the request matches the rules for safe traffic, it is allowed to pass through to the web server. Conversely, when a request contains a malicious pattern, the WAF detects the threat and immediately blocks the traffic, preventing it from ever reaching your web server. The WAF relies on a comprehensive rule set, like the OWASP core rules. It can block malicious payloads, rate limit excessive requests, block bad user agents, and more before allowing benign traffic through. WAFs operate primarily in two ways: signature-based, which matches known attack patterns, offering speed and accuracy for common threats, and behavior-based, which learns normal traffic to catch brand-new zero-day attacks. WAFs are deployed in three main forms: network WAFs, a costly physical appliance; host-based WAFs, software on each web server that uses server CPU; and cloud WAFs, which are third-party services with zero maintenance. Cloud WAFs are the modern way to deploy, routing traffic through the WAF via DNS first. The WAF inspects, filters, and caches before forwarding clean traffic to your hidden origin server. There are many reasons to use a WAF, including blocking the OWASP top 10 attacks, providing DDoS protection, ensuring regulatory compliance, managing bot traffic, allowing for virtual patching, and offering valuable visibility through logs. Think of a WAF like a bouncer at a club. The web server is the club, and the internet is the street outside. The bouncer checks IDs and guest lists, letting in friendly guests and turning away troublemakers and blacklisted people. The party stays safe because nothing bad gets through the door. However, a WAF is not a silver bullet. You still need to fix weak passwords and unpatched software. False positives happen, aggressively blocking legitimate users, and tuning is required. Every request passes through the WAF, adding a latency cost. Finally, clever attackers can bypass the WAF, emphasizing that defense in depth still matters. To recap, a WAF is a security layer in front of your web server that blocks web attacks like SQLI and DDoS. It uses rules and behavior models to decide which requests to allow. WAFs can be deployed on-prem, on each host, or as a cloud service. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand WAFs, consider subscribing for more content. See you in the next one.